Welcome back to our channel. Today we have one more Thar which is come for the complete service as well as clutch replacement, and you can just have a look at this vehicle. This vehicle is totally placed in the ramp at the moment, and the gearbox is being completely removed here. This is the gearbox, and that's the four-wheel gearbox. All is being disassembled, and the releaser bearing is also being removed, and this is the old clutch which has been removed. So right now you can just have a look at the brand new clutch which has been installed on the machine at the moment, as well as the releaser bearing has been added. We are using a brand called as LUK, one of the best brand for Mahindra OEMs. So we use this brand for all kinds of Thar, Boleros, all Mahindra vehicles as well as Tata vehicles. We use LUK. So one of the best trustable brand is this. So right now we have removed and we'll be updating and we'll be installing the gearbox, and gearbox oil also will be installed on the machine. And also we have one more vehicle which has come for the suspension work, the work is being completely done at the moment, this vehicle. And we have a Gypsy which has come for a modification. Right now we are working with the hub work. Hub greasing is being done on this vehicle completely. General servicing, all the four wheels servicing is being done. We are installing a power steering on this vehicle, and also 2-inch lift will be done on this vehicle completely. Right now we are adding the power steering. Modification is going on this. So we work on both diesel and petrol vehicles also. And also we have a Mpfi which has come for a bumper modification. You can just have a look at the bumper modification. We are installing a winch bumper on this at the moment. So for any kinds of queries regarding servicing of Jeep, Gypsy, Boleros as well as Thars and all kinds of vehicles, sales, service, modification, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We also have one more CJ500 which has been painted, and a little bit more work is going on this. Under chassis painting is also being done. Side a little bit black finish has to be done on this. And also for any kinds of tarpaul related issue regarding gypsies and floor matting also, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number. So this vehicle is completely done up at the moment. For any kinds of requirement of Jeep, Gypsies, Boleros, you can just WhatsApp us on our number. For sales service also, please do contact us. Our WhatsApp number is 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore, so please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.